Good morning, caterpillars. Today is Friday. Friday, Friday. Friday, Friday, jump and hop, because our school week is about to stop. Yay, Friday! And Friday begins with the letter F. Fish and Friday have the same beginning sound. Yesterday was Thursday, and tomorrow will be Saturday. Here is our number, right here. What number is this? Number 9. It comes after 8 and before 10. We're doing an A, B pattern. What would come next? It would be an umbrella, 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 flower, flower. And then today would be an umbrella. What is the weather today? We had a cloudy day, we had a foggy day, we had a couple sunny days. What's the weather like today at your house? Let's read our news together. It says today is Friday. The weather is sunny. I see the dog. I see the dog. We will make the number 9 wanted poster today. So we're going to talk about different ways that we can look at 9 today. I will upload this graph. What is your favorite flower? What color is your favorite flower? Green, blue, yellow, green, purple, yellow, blue, red, or orange. All right, what number is hidden behind the flower? That comes after 5. 6, good, it is a 6. And what is this one? It comes after 13. 14. What number comes after 14? Let's make that number. Let's add it. 1, 5 for 15. After 14 comes 15. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many do you see? 4. How many now? 4. How many grasshoppers do you see? 3 and 2, 5. Ooh, how many do you see here? Yeah, I see a 3 and a 2. I see 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many do you see? 2. All right, take a look at my beehive. I have 2 bees. How many bees are under my hive? How many bees are in my hive? If I have 2 bees, how many bees are in my hive? I have 2 and I only see 1. I think of 1. Let's see. It is a 1. Okay? Oh, let's try this one instead. If I have 4 bees and I see 1, 2, 3, how many are under here? I had 4 and I can see 3. I see 1, 2, 3. So how many will be left? Hiding under here. 1. Good job. Tell me a word that rhymes with light. Light, bright. Good. What has the same beginning sound as yellow? Is it Yoda or noodles? Same beginning sound. Yellow. Yellow and Yoda have the same beginning sound. What has the same beginning sound as robot? Is it a radio or tennis shoe? Robot. What sound is that? R. Robot. Radio. Do they have the same beginning sound? They do. Good. And what has the same beginning sound as jump? Is it hippo or jellyfish? The same beginning sound as jump. Jump and jellyfish have the same beginning sound. Let's read this. I see the Bug. Bug. I see the bug. What word is this right here? See, good job. What word is this? Bug. What is this one? If you don't remember, you can always go back here and you can, I see the bug. Good work. Guys, I need your help. So 9 has disappeared from our classroom. He just left. And we want 9 because sometimes 9 likes to go like this and turn upside down. And what does that look like to you? It looks like a 6. He's not a 6. He's a 9. So we're going to try to catch the 9. So we're going to make a wanted sign. This is wanted. Wanted number 9 for pretending to be 6. All right, so we're going to have to make a 9. And we're going to have to draw a way to make a 9. Watch how I make my 9. So a lot of times, guys, we see our 9 like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we know that that is 9 objects. Well, today, your task is to create 9. These might be a disguise 9 might have. Sometimes we wear disguises to look different. And I think 9 is here to make us look a little different. So watch how he uses this disguise to make 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 green. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 4 red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. He made a disguise. His other disguise might be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 green and 3 red. That is still 9. He might use 7 green and 2 red. That's another disguise. He might use 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 green and 1 9. Here's some more disguises we talked about earlier this year. It could be 3 and a 3 and a 3. 3 sets of 3 make 9. Or on a 10 frame. There's only 1 missing. It was a 9. We could make tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Or using dice. Sometimes 9 is disguised. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I want you to create a 9. I want you to create a 9 missing poster. And I want you to find some ways that you can make 9. Maybe put one of his disguises on. It could be this disguise. It could be this disguise. It could look like this. It could look like this. Or you could get 2 markers and you could really 2 crayons, 2 markers, and you could make 9 dots, but using 2 different colors. Because remember, we can make 9 with many different numbers, right? A 5 and a 4, a 7 and a 2, an 8 and a 1 can make 9. How could you make 9? I can't wait to see what you come up with. Bye.